Okay, so in this bonus video number 3 on dedicated servers, I'm going to teach you how to turn on your SPF to protect your email from spammers. SPF stands for Sender Policy Framework, and I'll teach you what that is all about in just a minute. Now, just so that you understand, when you run a dedicated server, the majority of you will have something like SPF turned on if your server is a fully dedicated managed server. Now, you can always email your web host to just check whether they have it on. If you're running a shared server, this probably is not for you. But if you're running a dedicated server or a virtual private server on your own, then this is for you. Now, this is not exactly protecting your email box from spam. This is more so on the lines of, let's say a spammer grabs your email address and they pretend that they are you, and then they send out 2,000, 5,000, or 10,000 emails to people, and that's called spam. And of course your reputation is hurt, and then you can end up on blacklists. So basically, using SPF will protect you when people say, okay, you spammed, and you say, well, no, I didn't, because this is SPF here allows you to show that the emails that are coming from your domain name are actually legitimate, and the spammers that use your email are not legitimate. So with that said, let's go to cPanel's web hosting manager. That's called WHM, and you're only going to have access to this if you run a dedicated server or a virtual private server. So if you go down here, what you want to do first is log into WHM, which we've done here, and then click on Edit Zone Templates, which is going to be under your DNS area here. And then you want to click on Standard. Okay. So this is the zone template editor. Basically, it edits the zone of all of your domain names. So the thing that you want to watch out for is basically all you want to do is add this to that zone template. All this means is that you're going to copy and paste this %domain %dot space capital IN space capital TXT space, and put double quotes lowercase v equals SPF 1 space A space MX space dash all ALL, and then double quotes. So basically copy this, and you can pause it if you want to copy this, and go to the zone template editor and basically copy it anywhere here. It doesn't really matter where you copy it. But as you can see, I've already got mine turned on right here. So that's all you have to do, and click on save, and you're good to go. So as you can see here, it consists of only 4 steps, and once you've done this, then you need to go back to the edit zone templates and do the same for the simple zone template. So as you can see here, it only consists of very few steps. Log into WHM, click on edit zone templates, and enter basically this, and then you're good to go. That way you've gone one step further to protecting all your domains that are on your dedicated server.